A historic supply-demand mismatch is quietly shifting institutional capital into a highly resilient, cash-generating real estate sector. While retail investors focus on volatile tech stocks, smart money is accumulating healthcare real estate ahead of earnings. The investment thesis relies on a powerful demographic shift colliding with a collapse in new facility construction. This is not a short-term speculative play. It is a structural megatrend with multi-decade visibility. The market appears to be pricing in a massive margin expansion story across senior housing operations. Understanding this dynamic is key to navigating the next market cycle. To understand this sector, we must look at the structural moats of industry leaders like Welltower and Ventas. These companies own premier senior housing portfolios. Their business model is transitioning away from traditional triple-net leases. Instead, they are utilizing senior housing operating structures, known as SHOP. This operational model allows them to capture direct operating cash flows from senior residency fees. This matters because it gives these real estate investment trusts direct exposure to rising rent prices. When demand outpaces supply, their pricing power increases dramatically, protecting investor capital from inflationary pressures. But that is only part of the story. Skilled nursing facilities, operated by firms like Omega Healthcare Investors and SABRA, have a completely different risk-reward profile. These assets provide essential medical care for seniors who require post-acute therapy or long-term assistance. Unlike senior housing, which is mostly paid for privately, skilled nursing relies heavily on government reimbursement through Medicare and Medicaid. This government backing provides a highly reliable rent coverage cushion during economic downturns. It makes these high-yield assets highly attractive for portfolio managers seeking insulated dividend cash flows. This brings us to the operational reality of recent quarterly performance. Institutional research from UBS shows that senior housing operations are generating outstanding net operating income growth. Average revenue per occupied room is rising at mid-single-digit rates annually. At the same time, senior occupancy levels are recovering back toward pre-pandemic baselines. This combination is driving a powerful operating leverage effect. Once a facility covers its fixed operating costs, every additional occupant generates pure profit. Here is where the margin metrics become interesting, as cash flows are expanding faster than traditional commercial real estate. To understand if these margins are sustainable, we must look at the balance sheets. Both Welltower and Ventas have spent the last 3 years deleveraging. They have extended their debt maturity ladders and shifted away from variable rate debt. This structural move shields their net interest margins from high interest rates. It is a critical defense mechanism because many office and retail properties are struggling to refinance. These healthcare REITs are entering the earnings season with clean balance sheets and significant liquidity. This liquidity allows them to fund growth internally without relying on expensive debt markets. That is where management's execution strategy becomes the critical differentiator. Welltower's executive team has focused heavily on capital recycling. They are selling older, low-margin assets in stagnant markets. They then reinvest that capital into high-barrier urban markets with strong demographic profiles. This active portfolio management has elevated their average property quality. Meanwhile, Ventas has focused on optimized operating agreements with premier senior living operators. This strategic alignment ensures that operators are highly motivated to increase occupancy and control costs, driving better returns for shareholders. Stabilizing labor is only half the battle, however. During the pandemic, senior housing was devastated by high nurse and caregiver labor costs. Facilities were forced to rely on expensive third-party agency labor to remain staffed. Management commentary from major operators shows that this costly trend has finally broken. Agency labor usage is falling rapidly. Operators are successfully hiring full-time, in-house staff. This transition is stabilizing operating expenses and driving significant margin recovery. It is a major tailwind that is not yet fully reflected in Wall Street's consensus earnings models. This internal execution is happening against a powerful macro backdrop. The silver tsunami is no longer a future prediction. It is a current reality. The 80-plus age cohort is the fastest-growing demographic in the United States. This population segment represents the primary consumer base for senior living and skilled nursing facilities. At the same time, high interest rates have caused construction starts for new facilities to plummet by over 70%. We are facing a massive demand wave meeting a total freeze in new supply. This supply deficit creates a highly favorable long-term pricing environment. But macro tailwinds do not matter if the cost of capital is too high. This is where the broader sector dynamics come into play. As inflation begins to cool, long-term bond yields are stabilizing. This stabilization makes defensive, high-yielding real estate assets highly attractive to institutional allocators. We are seeing early signs of a major capital rotation out of overvalued growth stocks and into resilient yield-producing sectors. Healthcare REITs are perfectly positioned for this transition. They offer a unique combination of high current income and secular growth potential, which is very rare in today's market. This capital rotation brings us to the core risks facing the sector. While agency labor is declining, structural nurse shortages remain a persistent issue. The healthcare industry is facing a long-term shortage of skilled nursing professionals. This shortage could force operators to raise baseline wages to attract talent. If wage inflation outpaces resident rate increases, operating margins will contract. This risk is particularly acute for skilled nursing facilities, which have less pricing power due to rigid government reimbursement schedules. Investors must monitor labor metrics closely during the upcoming earnings calls. Beyond labor, high interest rates present another structural headwind. Although major healthcare REITs have well-structured debt profiles, smaller operators are struggling. Many regional operators rely on local bank financing to fund their business. The current banking environment makes refinancing highly expensive for these smaller partners. If key tenants experience liquidity issues, they may struggle to meet their rent obligations. While giants like Welltower have deep credit facilities, any disruption in tenant solvency represents a notable counterparty risk. This risk could lead to rent restructuring or asset sales under pressure. Despite these real headwinds, the forward outlook remains highly compelling. Financial models indicate high earnings visibility over the next 24 months. This stability is driven by the predictable nature of senior housing demand. Unlike retail or office real estate, senior housing is an essential service. Families do not delay senior care decisions based on economic recessions. This demand consistency creates highly stable cash flows. It allows these REITs to comfortably support and grow their dividend distributions. This stability makes the sector a top defensive choice during macroeconomic uncertainty. This earnings visibility requires a complete valuation reassessment. Traditionally, senior housing REITs trade at a premium to standard commercial real estate. However, the recent market downturn compressed these multiples to historical lows. As the market begins to realize the strength of the recovery, we expect a major multiple expansion. Institutional capital is realizing that healthcare real estate offers superior growth prospects compared to traditional asset classes. This transition is setting the stage for a major re-rating of the entire sector, led by dominant market players. Let us translate this institutional thesis into a tactical playbook. Currently, we are placing Welltower and Ventas on a strict breakout watch. Technically, both stocks are consolidating just below multi-year resistance levels. Their relative strength indexes show healthy accumulation patterns. A solid earnings report could trigger a major technical breakout, driven by short covering and institutional buying. For long-term investors, building positions during periods of temporary price weakness offers an attractive entry point. This strategy allows you to capture both high current yield and capital appreciation. This tactical setup leads to our broader strategic perspective. Healthcare real estate is undergoing a structural transformation. This transformation is driven by favorable demographics and reduced asset supply. While the market focuses on near-term volatility, institutional capital is positioning for long-term outperformance. To stay ahead of these structural capital flows, make sure to subscribe to SR Money News. We track the smart money to bring you institutional-grade research. Tap the notification bell to stay updated. We will cover these earnings reports as soon as they break.